Quick and healthy weeknight dinners in 30 minutes with the Culinary Recipe Creations channel, your place for everything you need to know about cooking and creating fabulous food. Listen up, subscribe now you guys, and more recipe creations will be coming your way very soon. We've all been there. Tired after work, staring at the fridge and wishing for a delicious, healthy dinner without the hassle. It's easy to just order takeout or nuke some frozen garbage, but that's not doing you any favors. This video is going to be your lifesaver, showing you how to whip up incredible weeknight meals in under 30 minutes. You hear me? No more excuses. We're talking easy, healthy recipes that are packed with flavor and leave you feeling energized, not like you need a nap. Get ready to ditch the takeout menus and become a weeknight cooking hero. Alright now, gather around because today, we're diving into a recipe that's so foolproof even you can't mess it up. Let's start with a recipe so simple, even you can't mess it up. We're talking about a one-pan wonder that takes minimal effort and delivers a burst of flavor that'll knock your socks off. This one-pan wonder takes minimal effort and delivers a burst of flavor that'll knock your socks off. Imagine a dish where the salmon is perfectly cooked, the veggies are roasted to perfection, and the cleanup is almost non-existent. We're talking about sheet pan salmon with roasted veggies. It's a dish that combines simplicity with deliciousness, making it perfect for any night of the week. First, crank up your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Preheating is crucial to ensure everything cooks evenly, and to get that nice, crispy texture on the veggies. Now grab a baking sheet and for God's sake use parchment paper, unless you want to spend the rest of your night scrubbing. Parchment paper not only prevents sticking, but also makes cleanup a breeze. Chop some veggies. I like broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers, but use what you bloody well like. The key is to cut them into similar sizes so they cook evenly. Toss them with a drizzle of olive oil, salt, pepper, and any herbs that tickle your fancy. This step is crucial for adding flavor and ensuring the veggies roast beautifully. Next, pat your salmon fillets dry with a paper towel. We don't want any excess moisture, or it'll steam instead of sear, and we want that lovely crispy exterior. We don't want any excess moisture, or it'll steam instead of sear. A dry surface helps the salmon get that beautiful golden crust. Season them generously with salt, pepper, and maybe a squeeze of lemon juice. You can also add some fresh herbs like dill or parsley for an extra layer of flavor. Now nestle those salmon fillets amongst the veggies on your baking sheet. Make sure everything is spread out in a single layer to ensure even cooking. Slide that beautiful tray into the oven and set the timer for 12 to 15 minutes depending on how thick your salmon is. This short cooking time ensures the salmon stays moist and the veggies get that perfect roast. While that's cooking, pour yourself a glass of wine. You deserve it after a long day. Cooking should be enjoyable, and a little wine never hurt anyone. The key here is to cook the salmon until it's just opaque and flakes easily with a fork. Overcooking will dry it out, and we want it to be moist and tender. Don't you dare overcook it. Keep an eye on it, and remember, it will continue to cook a bit even after you take it out of the oven. We want it moist and tender, not dry and rubbery. The perfect salmon should be juicy and flavorful. Once it's done, pull it out of the oven and let it rest for a few minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is succulent. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a succulent and flavorful fish. Trust me, this step makes a world of difference. Serve it up with a sprinkle of fresh herbs and boom! You've got a dish that looks as good as it tastes. You've got yourself a restaurant-quality meal in under 30 minutes. It's impressive enough for guests, but easy enough for a weeknight dinner. See? That wasn't so hard, was it? Cooking can be simple and rewarding with the right recipe. This sheet pan salmon is a game changer for busy weeknights. It's quick, easy, and leaves you with minimal cleanup. It's quick, easy, and packed with nutrients. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and the veggies provide a variety of vitamins and minerals. Plus, the cleanup is a breeze. Just toss that parchment paper and you're done. No more scrubbing pans for hours. So, gather your family, serve up this delicious meal, and enjoy the compliments. You've earned them. Right, you lot. Gather around because today we're diving into a recipe that's going to change your weeknight dinners forever. Let's tackle another weeknight hero, the ultimate comfort food that's both hearty and healthy. One-pot pasta with sausage and greens. This dish is a game changer, trust me. This recipe is all about simplicity and efficiency, cooking everything in one pot for minimal washing up. Imagine, just one pot to clean. You can thank me later. Your future self will be grateful for this minimal cleanup. First, grab a large pot or Dutch oven and heat a glug of olive oil over medium heat. The foundation of any great dish starts with a good base. Now, brown some good quality Italian sausage, breaking it up with a wooden spoon as it cooks. The sausage adds a rich, savory flavor that's hard to beat. We want that sausage nice and crispy, not pale and anemic. The browning process is where the magic happens, creating those delicious caramelized bits. Once the sausage is browned, toss in some chopped onion and garlic. These aromatics will elevate the dish with their sweet and pungent flavors. Cook for a few minutes until softened and fragrant. The kitchen will start to smell amazing, and you'll know you're on the right track. Now pour in your choice of broth, chicken or vegetable works well. The broth will deglaze the pot, picking up all those flavorful bits stuck to the bottom. Bring it up to a boil, then stir in your pasta. The pasta will cook right in the broth, absorbing all those wonderful flavors. I like to use short pasta shapes like penne or rotini for this recipe, but feel free to experiment. The key is to use a pasta that will hold up well and not turn mushy. Let the pasta simmer for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. This is where the pasta starts to soak up all the delicious broth. Now it's time to add some greens. This is what makes the dish not just tasty, but also nutritious. I'm using spinach and kale today, but you can use whatever you have on hand. Chard, escarole, even a handful of rocket would be delicious. The greens add a fresh, vibrant touch. Stir the greens into the pasta and cook for a few more minutes until wilted and tender. They'll blend beautifully with the pasta and sausage. Finally, stir in a knob of butter, a grating of Parmesan cheese, and a squeeze of lemon juice for brightness. These final touches add richness and a pop of flavor. Season to taste with salt and pepper, and don't be shy with the seasoning. A well-seasoned dish is a delicious dish. Ladle that glorious one-pot wonder into bowls and top with an extra sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. It's the perfect finishing touch. There you have it, a hearty, flavorful, and ridiculously easy weeknight dinner that's ready in under 30 minutes. It's a dish that's sure to become a family favorite. This one-pot pasta is a lifesaver for busy families. It's quick to make, easy to clean up, and everyone will love it. It's packed with protein, carbs, and veggies, making it a complete and satisfying meal. You get everything you need in one bowl. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. Feel free to switch up the sausage, veggies, and herbs to your liking. The possibilities are endless, so get creative and make it your own. Listen up, you Muppets! Today, we're diving into a recipe that's going to change your weeknight dinners forever. This next recipe is for those nights when you're short on time but still crave a delicious and healthy meal. You know, those evenings when you get home late and the last thing you want to do is spend hours in the kitchen. We're talking quick and easy chicken stir-fry, faster than takeout, and a damn sight healthier. It's packed with fresh ingredients and bursting with flavor. First things first, get your ingredients prepped. This is key to making the cooking process smooth and efficient. Slice some boneless, skinless chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces. This ensures they cook quickly and evenly. Chop up your favorite veggies. I'm using bell peppers, onions, broccoli, and snap peas today. Feel free to mix it up with whatever you have in your fridge, and make sure you have your sauce ready to go. I'll give you my go-to recipe in a minute. Having everything prepped beforehand makes the cooking process a breeze. Now heat a large skillet or wok over high heat. This is crucial for getting that perfect sear on the chicken. We want that pan screaming hot for a good sear on the chicken. A hot pan ensures the chicken gets a nice golden crust. Add a drizzle of oil. I like to use peanut oil for its high smoke point. Then toss in the chicken. Peanut oil adds a subtle nutty flavor and can handle the high heat without burning. Stir fry for a few minutes until golden brown and cook through. Make sure to keep the chicken moving so it cooks evenly. Don't overcrowd the pan, or the chicken will steam instead of sear. This is a common mistake that can make your chicken soggy. Once the chicken is cooked, push it to one side of the pan. This makes room for the veggies. Add another drizzle of oil, then toss in your veggies. The extra oil helps the veggies cook quickly and evenly. Stir fry for a few minutes until they're crisp tender. This means they should be cooked but still have a bit of bite to them. We don't want them mushy, for God's sake. Mushy veggies can ruin the texture of your stir fry. Now pour in your sauce. This is where the magic happens. My go-to is a simple mixture of soy sauce, honey, rice vinegar, garlic, and ginger. It's a perfect balance of salty, sweet, and tangy. You can adjust the sweetness and tanginess to your liking. Taste as you go and make it your own. Bring the sauce to a simmer and cook for a minute or two until thickened slightly. This helps the sauce cling to the chicken and veggies. Finally, toss everything together until well coated in that glorious sauce. Make sure every piece is covered. Serve immediately over steamed rice or noodles. This dish is best enjoyed fresh and hot. Boom! You've got yourself a restaurant-quality stir-fry in the comfort of your own home. It's quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. This quick and easy chicken stir-fry is a blank canvas for your culinary creativity. You can customize it to suit your taste and dietary preferences. Use whatever veggies you have on hand, experiment with different sauces, and don't be afraid to add a pinch of chili flakes for a touch of heat. The beauty of stir-fry is its versatility. The possibilities are endless, so go ahead, get creative, and make this dish your own. Happy cooking! There you have it, you lot. 3 quick, easy, and bloody delicious recipes that'll transform your weeknight dinners. Healthy, delicious, and under 30 minutes. These recipes are your weeknight dinner saviors. Don't be afraid to swap ingredients or add your own twists. Personalize these recipes to your liking and make them your own. Remember, cooking should be fun, not a chore. Now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite quick and easy weeknight meals? Share your recipes and ideas in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more culinary inspiration. Now get out of my kitchen.